What does a nighttime asthma cough sound like?
A nighttime asthma cough is usually dry and hacking, not wet. It often comes in short, repetitive bursts or fits, and can sound tickly or like chest tightness. You may also hear wheeze, a high-pitched whistle when breathing out. It often worsens when lying flat and can wake you. Sound alone won't diagnose asthma. If the cough is frequent, accompanied by wheeze or breathlessness, or limits sleep, see a clinician.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.